Welcome back with my new video. Today I would like to share you how to get a custom emoji on your iPhone. This does not require a jailbreak. All you have to do, you need only version 16.1.2 and below. So if you have a 16.2, it may not work on your device. And this is my iPhone 12 Pro. So if I go into general and about, you're gonna find it is on 16.0, which means that it does work with this method. Now first what you're gonna do is to download this application, but I'm gonna delete it first and show you how it works and how to install. Now let me go into Safari, and from here you need to go into this link called setus.me. I cannot include this, but what you have to do, just type the exact link that I show on the screen here, and then you're gonna click on this burger button, click on this one, and you're gonna find here. So you need to scroll down a bit until you find phone override. Click on get button and click on get one more time, click on open, and now install. So all you have to do, just wait for it to install on your device. It may take like few minutes. So now it has been installed. For the first time you may need to trash in setting if you do it for the first time. So go to setting and then go into general and scroll down. You're gonna find device management. Make sure you trust this option in order to open the app. Now after you open the app, first you need to download a custom emoji. Go into Safari, and then you're gonna go into this link here. I will provide this link in my comment section. You can go ahead and click from there, and then when you go here you're gonna find this one. Now you need to download emoji that you like, so there are a bunch of them. Now let me show you with this one called Joy Pixel. Let me click on this one, and then I can download, and it will download into here. You're gonna find it right there. After it has been downloaded, you need to go back, go to phone override, click on custom. You're gonna scroll until you see a custom emoji here. Click on import custom emoji. You're gonna find the file that you have downloaded at the moment. It is on my iPhone. Go to download, and you're gonna find a Joy Pixel, this one, select on it, and then you're gonna find it is successfully imported. So now what you're gonna do is to click on apply emoji. It is doing its process. It may take a few seconds. Now it is complete. In order to get it to work, you need to click on restart Springboard down here. Just go ahead and click on it, and then it will restart your device. When you go into emoji, you're gonna see a new style here, as you can see. So this is a new emoji on my device. It looks very cool. It does not require a jailbreak, so make sure you follow the step that I mentioned in the video. And if you have any problem, make sure you comment down below and I will help you out. Then I will see you guys in the next one.